Not sure whether to wear this EVA Unit t-shirt, which is more accurate to this, or Asuka's t-shirt, because she's my favorite. Gentlemen, welcome to today's 3D print and paint video. Last 2 weeks, I think you saw my repaint video on this EVA01 Burst mode. And today is this EVA02 Beast mode.
The Beast!
Because I don't have a lot of time to paint this, so I think this time the painting is not that good. Maybe I'll touch up later after I got more time for him. As from the previous video that I already mentioned that this original design is from the Japanese artist called MEGUMU. His bust is only about 15 cm if I'm not mistaken, 15 cm, and only available in Japan. So a lot of fans actually wanted it. So someone from my Chinese 3D printing WeChat group actually designed this for the group only, and everybody loves it. And last 2 weeks when I post this 3D file for sale, a lot of people bought these files, and some actually show me their repaint work, which is very good. And like I said, this hobby is to enjoy the whole process of painting your own statues. No matter how bad it is, it means a lot to you. As you all know that in the 3D printing community, there is a trend of reseller. The moment right after I send all those 3D files to all the backers that bought this file, I can see a lot of people actually sharing and reselling the 3D models in their own 3D printing group or websites. And they even use my pictures without covering the watermarks. They just use it directly. And to my surprise, in the Chinese marketplace, they are selling this file but using my picture. And they didn't even remove the watermark as well. Anyway, this is really unavoidable. All the modelers that wanted to sell your 3D files, please make sure that you get the minimum amount that you are looking for. Only then you send the files to all backers, because you don't know which backers are those resellers. The moment you send out the file, it's gonna be shared. I hope this kind of action doesn't really stop all those 3D modelers to come up with a lot of beautiful 3D files for us in the 3D printing community. So let's check out the very quick repaint process on this EVA02 Beast mode. Let's go! So how was it? Very simple repaint process, isn't it? Especially when people ask me why don't I do masking on those borders, on those parts, because this is a very I think it's very dirty looking model. So even if I spray it out of the line, out of the border, I just use a black paint to brush it all over its line. Another reason I'm not using the masking is because I'm really lazy. And let's hope that this modeler will come out with the full body version. I actually contacted him. He said he's pretty busy, and maybe after he finished all his project on hand, we can discuss about the full body EVA, which is based on this, maybe, I'm not sure. If you already print and paint this, show me your final result too. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy painting these two beautiful busts. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.